Hey guys, welcome to our driver onboarding series. First thing you're going to need to do is you're going to go to the Play Store and type in DriverLogic as one word and download this quick app. Now once you've done that, you will open up the app, and on first boot up, the app will probably ask you to enable your location settings, and we need this in order to efficiently send you orders so you can keep moving and not sitting in one place. It will try to send you the closest order to you for pickup, and then after you're on your way to deliver the next order, or once you're done with that order, the system will automatically try to send you more orders. If you by accident decline the location settings, you will have to find your app information and you will have to change permissions right here. Go to location and allow at all times. From here, when you go back into the app, you will just hit OK for enabling precise locations. So now that you went through all of that, you have successfully logged in and set up your location settings. In next video, we will go over driver statuses and how to check in and check out.